Hello guys, welcome to the 11th video of LZH project. My name is Salman Francis and we were discussing about, in our last video, we were discussing about files and permissions in Linuxes and Unices. So the thing is, like, we have already discussed the numbered permission, and let me just recap. So we were discussing like read, write and execute, and read having a value of 4, write having a value of 2, and execute having a value of 1. So, and they all add up to make 7. And we can also, we were working with this file, this file, and at the moment we can see that we have a read-write permission for the owner, read-write permission for the group, and read-write permission for others. So there is another way to give these permission, and that is by user group and others, or UGO. So let's try to give permissions with this way. For example, let's say we would like to give this file the permission that the owner and the group should have a read, write and execute permission, and the others should only have a read, write permission the way they already have. So let's do this. To do that, we go to change mod, and then we will go with user and group plus execute, and then the file name. So what it's saying is change mod to user and group, give them plus X, like give them permission to execute also on this file. Press enter, and if we will see this time ls-l, and the file will turn into green, which means that it has read, write, execute, and at the end we can see that the others there are no change for others. Okay, this time I would like to remove the write permission from others also. So what I will do is change mode others -r, which says to remove the write permission. Oh, sorry, let's remove the write permission. Sorry, on from this file. And this time, if we will go and check the file, and we can see that the group and the user have good permissions, read, write, execute, all the permissions, and the others have only read permission, and their write permission is also gone. So this is also how you can change the permissions on the file, and to give everyone these permissions, like full permissions, which is not a good idea anyway, just for our demo purpose. We'll give UGO plus X, like to execute, read and write, or RWX, and the next permission file ls-l to confirm. And here we are, all the permissions for everyone. So this is how we give permissions the other way. Okay, and now I would like to change the permissions with the numbered permission we already learned. So let me change permissions for chmod. So I would like to give read-write permission to the user, like 4 plus 2. And only read permission to group, that is 4, and no permission to others. And we will see the change in the file. This time if we'll take ls-l, and here we are, read, write, and then only read and no permission for this. So this is the basics of Linux permissions with the numbered way, and with the alphabetical way, like numeric and alphabetical UGO. And we have also seen how to calculate the permissions. And so that's it regarding permissions. Okay, now we will talk, we'll take our discussion a little further, and we will talk about umask.